In this video, I'm going to share with you how to build a free landing page so you can build your email list. Now, it's important to build an email list because for every new subscriber you get, you can actually generate income on the back end. Plus, it's a great way to build your audience and your income at the same time. Per subscriber, you should earn about $1 per month. So if you've got 100 subscribers, you should be aiming towards $100. But what I want to know in the comments is how many subscribers would you reach for? Now just imagine having around 10,000 subscribers, which means $10,000 per month. So what are the options when we want to build a landing page? Well, I've looked at three options here. I've looked at Mailchimp, I've looked at ActiveCampaign, but I've also looked at Clickfunnels. Now, Mailchimp and ActiveCampaign are actually email software, so they'll help you with the automation side of things, but also growing the list. Whereas Clickfunnels actually does everything together. Now, it's worth saying that Mailchimp is free if you've got under 500 subscribers, whereas ActiveCampaign and Clickfunnels do actually come with a monthly cost, although they've still got a free trial. And you can check out the links for these in the description. If you choose to go ahead, I will get a small commission from it, so don't worry about that. It just helps me build the channel. So in a nutshell, this is what we want to do. We want to build an opt-in page and have people join our email list. So we're just going to draw that straight across there. But we've got to give people a good reason for opting in and getting on our list in the first place. This is often providing value for them. That could be in the shape of either a free video training, an ebook, maybe a quiz or a cheat sheet or something really simple and easy that they can digest quickly. For this example, I'm going to use an ebook because not only do I already have it done, but also as well, it's an instant download and they get it sent directly via email. And of course, if you want that ebook for yourself, then you can go ahead and download it. It's here, but it's right there in the comments. It's how to actually grow an affiliate marketing business in 7 simple steps, right? So you can get that. It's really simple and easy to follow too. So if you're ready, let's dive into Mailchimp. I've already gone ahead and signed up for an account. I didn't want to walk you through that. It's very simple and straightforward to do. Just click, 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 boom, you're done. But let's see just how quick and easy it is to get that landing page set up. Right, so I'm inside of Mailchimp and I want to hit create. And now we want to go ahead and create a landing page. So we want to build a landing page because we want something nice and simple for people to be able to opt in. So let's go for 7 steps. And hit begin. Now it's going to ask us about what sort of template, because all of these come with templates, yeah? So you've got something to start with before you start building the landing page. There's an argument that simpler is better. So if you put too much information on there, people will get distracted or they won't opt in. But later on in the video, I'm going to show you a page which is getting 62% actual opt-ins on it, right? So I've actually got quite a bit of information on there as well, so it's worth checking that out. So stay to the end of the video and I'll share with you on that one. But within Mailchimp, we've got a couple of options here. Now, I'm not just going to go for a really cheap looking one. I'm not going to go for that. I'm going to go for one of their new templates, which is just here. And we're going to open that up and see just how easy it is to navigate around and build something that people might be interested in. Now, as you can see on this page, it's got a little bit to enter their email address. It's got something about us. So you've got lots of different bits here that you can change, move around. So we're going to start off with a logo and then I'm going to add in an image of exactly what they're going to get. So we're going to upload some images to start with. So I've entered this image here, which is the ebook itself. Next thing I want to do is add a title. So I'm just going to pop that in there. And then we want to get into the description of it as well. And for this example, I want to make it really short and sweet because I just want people to go ahead and get in and opt in, and that's it. So let's just copy this one here. So actually we can get rid of that. We don't need that. And I'm going to make that button, where is it? Subscribe. I want it to hit download here. And then when they go ahead and Once they click on the button, ideally I want it to go to a web address, but for this case, we're just going to use a confirmation message. So in an ideal world, what we want to be able to do is have someone opt in and then immediately let them know on the next page that they are getting what they've opted in for, but also bridging the page to an affiliate offer. Now let me just show you what that looks like. So in my actual funnel, I send people to an opt-in where they can get a free ebook, then to a bridge page video, which is actually talking about this offer here and the reason why they need it, but also letting them know that the free ebook is now actually being sent out to them via email, so they can go ahead and get that straight away. If they decide to click through to the sales page, then I'll get a digital product sale, but also as well, you can use an affiliate product so you can actually go through and make money that way as well. And using automation, which again is easy to set up through Mailchimp, ActiveCampaign and Clickfunnels for that example, you can then re-email people back to the bridge page or back to the sales page. But let's get back to the inside of Mailchimp to see exactly how it is. About this, you can actually put yourself in here. I'm going to put myself in here, and I'm just going to put something very simple and straightforward. If you really want to, you can change these around so you can put different offers or links on there, but I'm just going to bin that off because I want it to be as simple as possible. Right, so save and close. Let's just have a little look and see. It's pretty straightforward. It's very basic, I will give it that, but it's going to do the job. And once you're finished, you are ready to publish, it's actually going to give you a whole bunch of different things that you can fill in. You can edit the title and icon so that when something loads, you'll see up here, I've got like the M for inbox. You can, or even like the little Mailchimp logo there, you can add something on that, a social share preview. You can change the URL. You can put tags in there, check the list that is going to go to, and of course after the sign up form is submitted, visitors will see a confirmation message, which is very simple and straightforward. But you can always alter that at a later date to, like I said, to a bridge page for an affiliate offer, or if you're just happy with that and getting people on your list to begin with, then that's fine too. So let's have a look and see what the finished page looks like. Now I'm actually pretty pleased with this because although it's very simple and very basic, there's a good chance if people are here and the traffic is actually targeted, they know what they've come here for, they could well be putting their email address and hitting that download button, which is exactly what we need. But I did also build this out in ActiveCampaign as well. So let's have a look and see how the two compare. And this is what I was able to do via the landing page software inside of ActiveCampaign. Again, very simple and straightforward. Can't say I like the opt-in form that much, but as far as like the options for building the page, it's all very similar to ActiveCampaign. So very simple and straightforward. But if you want to get really professional on this and actually really smash it out as far as your opt-ins go, I built this out in Clickfunnels, which again is a little bit more of a premium product, but when you see the results, you'll understand why. So this is the current live page that I have for the ebook that was built through Clickfunnels, right? So you can see it's already way better than what the other ones were. There's so much more information for people, and the reason why people are going ahead and opting in on this is because I'm giving them everything they need to make that right choice of opting in. So what are the actual opt-in figures like? Well, I started this out sending brand new, fresh, organic traffic to it, and I'm keen to see exactly where it's updated to. And this here is the most important figure, because although we've sent a few decent amount of bit of traffic there, again, this is all organic, it's got 58% opt-in, nearly 59%. So that's almost just over half of everybody that sees the page opts in. Now, on a page where there's lots of information, that's actually really good, because that means those people are more likely to be interested in exactly what I have for them, because they've took the time, they've read through the information, and they've still opted in. Which means when we get to this stage where people go ahead and watch the bridge page, they're more likely then to progress on to the actual sales page itself and make a purchase. Ultimately, if I can make money by doing this, it's actually really decent. So if you start out with free traffic, a free landing page and get paid on the back end, then that makes more sense. Now, I will say, however, it's a lot easier to put all this together to get that paid product at the end via using Clickfunnels. Now, if you want the template that I have actually used for mine, I will add that to the description so you can download that entire template, change it around however you wish. You can copy pretty much everything on that apart from my graphics and the words on it. But as far as the actual build of the site, of how it looks and how it's all set out in the different sections, then you feel free to use that template. And of course, it's going to make for such a decent amount of opt-ins, grow your email list even faster. And if I was to rate them all in how easy it is to actually make that landing page, I'm going to say that ActiveCampaign comes in at number 3, Mailchimp at number 2, and Clickfunnels at number 1. Of course, you've got to remember that Mailchimp is a free option, so that might be something that you start with to begin with and then go ahead and get the more professional stuff afterwards. But I'd always recommend, if you're growing a business, invest in your business, invest in yourself, and then you will be more determined to be successful. Now, this is all part of your passive income journey, right? So the next step is coming up right now. So make sure that you watch the next video in the series and hitting that 10K a month.